Yan, good afternoon mga kabakal. Yes, dito po tayo sa Makati. Okay, magti-training po tayo ng OTC natin na Accutig 300 amperes yan mga kabakal. Okay, may mga function po siya na stainless at saka aluminum. Ayan, shout out po natin sila ma'am. Ayan, at saka si Sir Sam. Ayan, I think si kabakal din niya sa Ayan mga kabakal ha, ituturo natin, teach natin how to operate a proper use of Accutig machine. Many function inside, yung basic, this one, basic only, no need other function, okay? You need put the breaker, need 60 amperes, I think, because
Can we take note of it? 60 amperes.
60 or at speed 75 as maximum. Yes. Because function need natin aluminum. Medyo aluminum is very high frequency. Different like stainless. Stainless is very light breaker. Before this select this machine, for example, you want weld the aluminum. You want select easy off machine and switch breaker. Okay. Because ang important is you want open this breaker and select this selector switch DC to DC. Many times to using you can make damage this portion because you want circuit spark
Yeah, okay.
off before select this.
Select first before all.
Yeah. Like this. Easy, airfold, because the connection is airfold. Big gas. Okay na. Like this. Tapos, off. Pag na normal. Take process. I have any kinds of function. Take spot means I have timer. For example, I think 150 amperes. You want to use tick spot. This timer is 1 second. Before time to 1 second, so stop the welding. No need setting this portion. Take process only. No need select the timer. This portion is continuous welding. And other size is stick process. Stick process, you change the connection, your reverse polarity. The ground is positive, negative, electrode holder positive. This one is stick process, the ground is positive, the electrode holder is negative. This one, initial, absolute, false current, base current, false time, main current, down slope, breaker field. This one is needed you use for example have pressurized tank. That's better because this initial current you want to start first you make 50 amps and I think upslope 1 second for upping down to main current, down slope to breaker field, like 15 amperes. Where I might have design analog this. Ang purpose this is amperes. Before to stop the welding, I have amperes to maintain before off the welding. This portion. You want to use this for pressurized tank, like example gasoline. Yung petrol tank. Pero kung no need
pressurized tank,
no need. This simple. Of this function, size. Of this one only,
Yeah,
it's okay.
That's what would be.
Very simple.
Yes.
Very simple like it. For example, try natin. Tapos, penetration and cleaning. You want to use penetration, it's better. You You want this cleaning, it's better. You want use a center, nutritional clinic to one option, it's okay.
Either. Either of the two.
So, I have this one also, Predator Fit, manual. Switch this down is on. It means automatic trigger switch, welding, trigger switch off. Okay. Tapos this one is on pulse. It means 1 mm continuous weld. You can use this machine. I have pulse only. Continuous welding, no failure, fusion only.
Ano recommendation?
For example, mga like lababo, mga working people, yung mga para sa mga food grade. Minsan, think, ginagamitan nila na ang pulse. Pero I think sa farm, mga yata yun. Kahit no need na, off lang this. This one lang, manual, automatic, and current also. Okay?
How many mm to play?
Take
Play, ito.
play. I have some tapo. Wala tong ano. Sombrero mo siya. Cut. Susulong kasi ito eh.
Yun, oh, yung ano boy.
Kailangan mo nga to.
Patungan lang. Ay, tayo na.
Tiles. Tiles. Tiles.
Tiles.
Ano po?
Ano yan? Plastic yan.
Masusunog rin yan.
Plastic yan.
Ayun po yan. Yung parang marmol.
Yun, pwede.
Ay, tapo na lang.
Pwede ba yun?
Oh, ano lang?
Ano? Baka
Yan.
sunog. Yan.
Yan, pwede na yan. Masunog kasing kahoy.
Sunog kasi kahoy.
Okay.
Pero ito, masunog naman. Okay, 5.56. Ada, okay.
Malinis yan. Malinis yan. No need na grinding. No need grinding. Depende sa welder.
Okay.
I question it.
Yeah, yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So reborn and then and so on.
Yes, yes, sir. Ayan, maraming salamat mga kabakal. Ay, si Sir Sam, Sir Annie, and si Ma'am, and also si Sir Kuya George, yan, yung pugi namin ng driver. Thank you mga kabakal. I say just for training this machine. OTC, ayan. Okay, thank you.